In this video, we will discuss using the water coolant flow check on the DS7 touchscreen. The water coolant flow check activates water coolant to a handpiece without drive air or water coolant. This allows for more accurate water adjustment. Begin by pressing the menu button at the top right of the screen. Select Equipment Settings, then Delivery System, and Water Coolant Flow Check. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to check from its holder. Then select the timer you would like to use. Handpiece water coolant will flow until the timer reaches 0 and a chime sounds. To adjust the timing, press and hold the timed preset. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the timer. The volume slider to adjust the chime volume. And the chime menu to change the chime tone. Press the home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.